guys, welcome to the video. Today we are playing hide and sneak. It's a different
game from the Brookhaven hide and seek.
Yeah, Bobs.
I'm stuck in the screen there. Wait for me! Wait for me! Today
Bro, it's not voting. Today we are going to be playing hide and sneak, but it's like prop hunt in Gmod. If you know, you know. I'm gonna run now because I don't know what I am.
you know.
I hate.
I already found the perfect spot. Also, we're going to play without Art because he's not online. Sorry, Art. Oh my.
I'll be AFK.
Come back here, boy.
I am never gonna be found.
There we go.
I am blending in so good.
Hey,
Guten Morgen.
my microphone broke
Hey bro,
for a
talk!
second.
Freaking talk!
I'm talking!
Talk! Talk or kill.
Did you really just mute me?
What do you mean?
I saw when I checked back into the call, I was mute.
No way.
I was mute when I came. Since I cannot show the footage because I'm not in the display, so I have no proof of me being mute.
What the hell? Well, how'd that happen?
I don't know. My microphone. I thought my microphone.
Anyways, look in the hiders. Look at the hiders. Our profiles are you know.
Or what?
We are magkatabi. Just that. I cannot English.
I'm gonna change it.
My English is... My stroke is having an English. I mean...
My stroke?
What are you? What are you? What are you?
Rock.
Rock. Jump. I dare you.
No! No!
Just
The
kidding.
seeker is there. What are you then?
A mouse. No, no, no!
Patay ka na. Okay, I gotta run because you know what I am.
Bro, there's so many.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Wait, I spawned at the lobby.
Oh.
Yo,
There we go. I'm gonna
Bro.
win. I'm gonna win.
This game is so bugged. What happened to this game? I spawned in the lobby. Okay, we are not playing this game. So actually...
Fine. Okay, we're going. Should I? I'm going to put the next game in the same game. In this. Wait, what am I talking about? I'm having a stroke.
Yes. What do we play, bro?
You choose.
Okay, I will.
I don't know what's going to be the title of this now.
Since okay guys, since that other game is bugged, we are gonna play another game. It's called Blocks and Props.
I'm gonna censor my face cam because I don't want people to see my face.
Just turn off your face cam, bro.
I accidentally showed them my face cam, so I'm just going to censor it.
Yup.
Or I will just cut the footage out.
Ayo.
I'm here. Why you guys not? If you swear again.
I never swear, bro. What do you mean?
I had to censor what you just said in the last video.
Wait, where did you go?
I died.
Nah. I cheated death.
You can't cheat death.
I did. I'm cooked.
I'm cooked, die. He's using a garbage bin, but he's garbage. No, he's not. It's a skill issue. Shut up, Bell. Bell is its skill. What? Berry? Oh, Bell. So when are we going to do our round 2 for hide and seek? Die.
When Art comes back.
Checking my OBS if it's working. Ah! Do you guys hear me?
I got kicked from the game.
What?
I got kicked from the game.
How?
I don't know.
Rejoin.
I'm gonna rejoin.
I'm going to put my microphone next to my
I'm back.
mouth. I'm going to make my microphone closer to my mouth because
What the hell
I
happened?
was quiet in the video. Eat body. I'm not going to say it.
No. Bro, I got kicked. Somebody hacking.
Can you not scare me this game?
I watched the video back. I watched the video in the YouTube and
Did you see the video? You saw the video of me.
yeah.
You saw the scene where I got scared because of you.
At least I saved you for like 10 seconds. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna try
Oh,
to
stop, bro.
not die. What?
Carry,
You
nigga.
The, you gave me goosebumps by that. It's not loud enough, so you cannot scare me. Get serious. Oh, wait, I'm going to kill myself. Bye.
Bro, where's the hide? I mean,
Where's the hider?
where's the destroyer?
I think he's AFK. Wait, let me see. Oh, wait, he's preparing. I wanna go. Where is skirmish? Is this?
I'm gonna get out of the way there because never mind.
Where is he aiming at?
I got freaking flinged.
I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna win just like.
Win for me, bro. Win for me.
Okay, I'm going to try. Avenge.
Avenge me, bruv. I freaking died. I got crushed by the freaking bricks on top.
Hell, are you KS? What is this? Throw something. Oh, I almost died.
Well, you called it.
I did. No! For people
Bro.
who may-
You never avenge me. But when Art comes back here, you are gonna be the seeker.
That's going to be a separate video because I'm not editing
You're
for a
even-
whole 50-minute or 1 hour video.
Yeah. But are you even recording?
I'm really recording.
Okay.
OBS. I'm gonna go back to... One sec. There we go. I'm gonna censor...
I got it from the gut! I will send you something.
What?
I took a screenshot.
I'm gonna see... I wanna see...
Wait.
Send it.
I will
The
send it to
viewers are
the...
not going to see the picture because I went back to Windows Capture.
Yo, look at this, bro.
It's
Oh
going
my
to be
God.
secret. Or should I show them the picture?
Show them.
Fine. When
So that they get angry. Just kidding.
When I'm
Don't be angry, please.
when I'm editing, then they're going to I'm going to show them the picture when I'm editing. Throw something, garbage. Come on. Ah! You thought.
Garbage.
Huh?
Hot dog.
Wow.
Oh, you almost got killed there. Why is there a huge block?
Oh, that's the guy's avatar. A
Block.
cube. It's
Bro,
just
it's a
cube.
Minecraft block.
Wait.
Bro, it's a quartz.
Go in here. I got crushed by a garbage.
Lol. That's what you get for not avenging me, brother. One more. Let's go.
Is it also weird that you're just short?
Yes. Wait, what?
You're short compared to me in the Roblox.
Oh, yeah, I tried.
Just
I
with real
tried.
life.
To be honest, compared to you, yeah, it's true.
You are the size of... What does your size look like?
I don't know.
Who
I
does your
tried
size
to
look-
do it because I tried to make myself small because
You want to...
I want to be small so I can get into cracks in Brookhaven as a black
You
belt.
are also thick.
Yeah, to be honest, yeah.
I have short arms. Destroyer died.
Bro, they keep dying.
Towers.
No! I got distracted and walked down.
He already died.
Are they throwing people?
I'm gonna turn off the chat. Risk.
It's a bunch
What
of
the
brain rot.
heck? What the heck? I got framed off the map. I got yeeted out of the map. I'm dead.
Hindi ka na.
Family.
Wait, what? What did you say?
I said family trouble. From
I will kill.
Ah, stop it.
Bro, there's only one guy left.
One sec, I'm putting on my headphones. There.
Ah, ah, ah,
Ah!
ah, ah,
Shut up.
ah.
You keep making me think you're going to scream.
Huh? Huh?
I'm going to end the call.
No.
If you scream. destroy
I'm not
your
gonna
wings.
scream. I'm not gonna scream.
Ah! Alright.
Okay, this time I'm gonna beat a try hard.
Try hard.
Imagine
What
I
is
said that and just died in the first few seconds.
What is going to be the title of this video?
First game gone wrong, but second game is epic. Flaming Skull, just put that. Put the Flaming Skull.
Two idiots play hide and sneak. Two idiots play a bug game. Oh wait. It's going
Two
to be a
idiots
goofy
play
title.
2 games.
Two idiots play 2 games
Yeah,
in
for
Flying
2.
Skull.
No, 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 no.
There, that's going to be the title. Two idiots play 2 games.
Are you dead?
I'm dead instantly.
Lol.
Avenge me.
I will avenge you, my brother. I got in the worst spot.
I thought you died.
Nope.
Bruh, she just trick shot me.
Lol.
No, I just read someone's chat.
You're too fat to get through these cracks, bro.
There. I also did what I did from the Brookhaven.
Yeah,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
I should really
Hello,
just stick to
kamusta?
animations. Hmm?
No!
You did not avenge me.
Yeah, because you didn't avenge me.
Avenge me.
Avenge. Bro, this guy is so dumb. Go to the crack, bro.
He's dead. Oh.
Yo, no way.
You're going to do it.
Go.
Come on! Survive for
Oh, no,
us.
you're cook. He's cook. He's cook.
Bro, what is going on in the chat?
I'm gonna get. We are cook. Tower swing. Ah! Go, go,
Oh
go,
my
go,
god,
go.
god! We won!
Let's go. I told you, Tower Swing. I called it. Ting-ing-ing-ing. I'm 8
Don't
years
eat.
old. Oh my god.
I'm going to. Should I do a counter of how many times Urgent Alpha
Bro, jump off. What?
I'm going to make a counter how many times someone says Urgent Alpha like thing.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get cooked. I almost got cooked.
I'm going to.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm going ahead. Go, 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 go. I'm on fit. I'm gonna hug the
I
wall.
think he knows where we are. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh,
La. Lie, 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 lie.
Fred.
Lie,
I'm going down. Freddy!
I
No!
got
No!
cooked.
No! Get
I'm
in the
I'm standing. I'm standing. I am
Get in the Fred,
the amount of fear I am.
I'm having stress.
Yes. Yo, we are so close to the bottom.
I'm
Yeah,
also
we're-
very cold because of the rain.
One more layer,
We're
bro.
gonna win! We're gonna win! We're gonna win!
Now we'd win.
Nah, we'd win. Ah! No, I can't. No, I did. I was so close to victory.
Ah.
I was so close to victory. God dang it.
Where is he?
I just reported domain. He left. He can't do it. Do it for Sans.
Sons?
Yes.
Santa.
Let to do this. I cannot play the song. I cannot play the song because copyright.
Yeah. Get
Imagine
in Carcinat's house.
that's going to be a part of the counter of him how many times a Janaf was spoken.
I kept getting hit by barrels, bro. Ang baruda.
Do it for Sans.
Bro, go lower.
Imagine that you actually made me get copyright because we just said
No way.
that's going to be kind of funny and kind of raging. Six people! Up! Five!
No, close.
You're so close to victory! Get! Yeah!
I avenge you. Now you avenge me or else.
Or
I will get you cup.
already
That's so crazy.
peanut butter. That was the first word that my mind came up with when I saw the tower.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh wait, that's also copyright.
Woo!
I mixed
Oh my god.
He died. Avenge no one. How? Already 4 people.
You
should watch yourself.
I'm gonna push this.
Do it for your sons and others.
Sons and Duns, yeah. I will
Sons
do
and
it for
Duns.
Sons and Duns.
Eve. Who died? You thought you could scare me.
No, bro, it was rage. Trust me.
Alright.
No, bro, the block is too strong, bro. The block is
Really?
too strong.
Wait, why me? Why me?
No way. That's so crazy, man.
Fine, I'm going to do it.
Oh,
Oh, and I should aim higher. Felt like lag. I'm using the power of Bill Cipher to do this. Imagine someone. How?
That's so crazy, man. If I get flinged once,
I'm using the power of Cipher.
why am I going here? Go down. Go down. Go down.
Oh my god!
No! It comes between me and you. And you.
Instant lag.
The amount of stress. The amount of
I
pain.
just want to tell
Yeah,
you
Mom.
something that you're going to die.
But there is no way. Water. No way. No way it's me.
Oh no.
Okay, that's good.
I'm
Big boy time.
I'm going to die. I must win. Go
Oh yeah? Yeah?
Can you beat my score? Oh, so close, so close.
Touch that. Touch that.
How? I survived that.
Go, go, go! Fall!
You don't know where I am. I must win. I must win.
How?
I must
How that
win. I must
No,
win.
no, 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 no.
This is the closest to getting to win.
I'm so trash at this game, bro.
Nah, we'd win.
Na, I'd win. Sa handstands!
You missed.
Please, no one survive in this next attack.
I'm gonna win.
Hmm.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Ow!
Yeah! Wait! I pressed it! Let's go!
Is it a coincidence that we What is the guy doing?
I won.
Bro turned on the auto clicker, bro.
What?
Nothing.
Hot dog.
Bro!
I'm going to check how long have we been
What is he
recording.
doing? Why is it so high?
It's been 27 minutes of recording.
Hell yeah.
We're only going to do 2 more rounds and then that's done. I don't want to edit another 40-minute video. Oh no. I like how they didn't laugh at me because I instant killed them. Most of them. Where are you? There you are. Speak.
Huh?
Hot dog.
I'm gonna...
Finally, I won in the towers.
I see shadows flying past.
Shadows.
Shadow?
Shadow the Hedgehog.
Shadow the dog.
Shadow the dog. I'm going to squeeze through this. I can't. Should I sacrifice myself?
Yo, I'm pushing it. I'm
Push!
pushing.
Push! Push!
I did it. I pushed it. No way.
You're
Come
stuck.
here.
No! No, you're going to die!
Come in.
No, you're going to die!
Nah, bro, I'd win. I'd
Can
win.
this guy lower the 1 second? Okay.
Did you die?
Yes.
I
Unfortunately.
told you. I'm gonna push this down, bro.
If he hits the block, then that's going to move all of you.
Yeah, move.
Go higher. Go higher.
Bro, I don't hear you. Yo, wait. The sun.
No, don't copyright me.
Ah.
Yo. You die yet?
Nah, I'm surviving.
Do it.
I'm so close to the bottom, bro. Talk!
What?
I'm so close to the button.
Okay.
I'm literally right there. Go, 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 go! I won. Just kidding, I was already dead.
One more round and
No,
then no, don't copyright. What did you say?
The stop.
They are going to win the towers. We will
They are
win.
going to win.
No.
Yodi, 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 yodi. Nah, bro, it's too risky.
Stop.
No.
I'm going to leave.
Why are we
Ow! I got
What
eaten.
the?
I got eaten out of the map.
I saw your outline. I saw the outline. Oh my god. No.
I got eaten out of the map.
Bro, what happened to the towers? It got discombobulated.
What do you mean by towers?
Eh.
Hurry up.
Send a nuke. That's so
Look
crazy,
here.
man. Skull emo.
You died.
Go, go.
You died.
I didn't die. I'm right there, bro.
Then who's this?
That's another person.
Who's this?
There's another person. There's another person that looks like me. I'm right
Then why
down
does-
there, bro.
Then why does the leaderboard say you're not? You died. Towers win.
Bro,
Okay, that's going to be the end of the video. Please don't subscribe.
the sound